Alright, another day. We're back in the garage here. Gonna work on this seat. What I'm gonna do first is we're gonna cut this foam. I glue it to the back of the seat there. That way it doesn't move around and stuff. But we're gonna cut that. I already got this. This is the backing plate that goes on here. So we'll put some turquoise upholstery on that, and cushion here. I want to put 4 more holes. I'll put here, 2 over here. That helps your stitches and everything. So when someone plops their ass down on that, you know, the air doesn't push out on the stitches. You know, it blows out the bottom. All right, let me put you up on a tripod and we'll start doing some work. All right. All right. Watch your fingers. All right. Good enough. Alright, I'm wrapping this with a little poly bat. That just fills things out a little bit. Gotta watch you don't shoot that into your hand. I bet you that would hurt like a bitch. Alright, I'm gonna finish, I got this one side done here. I'm gonna finish stapling this on, and then we'll put this cover on. I don't know if you can see that, but I put a mark about 1 inch away from everything. That way when you pull it, you don't over pull it in certain spots. You know, you can line your line up with the edge of the thing there, and everything will be equal, pulled equally. So, alright, let me finish stapling this up, and then we'll trim it up and put it together. Alright, yeah, I got the poly on there, the bat, and that just rounds things out and smooths things out and covers a multitude of sins, so looks good. There is a top and a bottom to this, and this is the bottom, and this is the bottom here, so stick it on here. Alright. It looks like it'll be alright. Alright, now I pulled this to where my line is. Okay, that's where I want it. Alright. So we'll put a nail in down there. We could always take them out and rearrange them, but for now try that. I'm staying off the edge a little bit because I got that backing piece on it. It's going to cover stuff. Sorry if you guys can't see that. Sometimes I lift stuff up and it goes out of frame. I'll get the knack of this thing after a while. This YouTube thing. Alright, yeah, it's looking pretty good already. Now I just gotta go around and pull everything taut and staple it in place. I'll do that. You guys take a break. Alright, yeah, we got that all stapled on there, and we're happy with it. Looks nice. The pleats are nice and everything, and the top is nice. Now I gotta throw some material on this piece here that I made, and after you screw this onto the chair, this goes on, and we'll tack this in with chrome tacks. All right, let's put upholstery on. There's some material on here. All right, we threw some fabric on there, glued it on there. Should be okay. And then we got our tacks coming in the mail today, so we should be able to put the back on anyway. All right, yeah, we're happy with that. Oh man, we got to plug it in. Be right back. All right, I'm back. Let's try this again. I think it's going to look alright. Let me finish putting that on there, and then we'll turn it back on when we're done. Alright, I just got done putting a mark. Oh, there you go. I didn't think you guys could see it, but I could see it in the camera. Yeah, I put a mark all the way around, about 2 1/4, and that's where we'll pull it down. So let's see, put it on, see how it looks. There is a front and a back to this. This is the back. This is the back here. Alright. There you go. It's a little snug. Nice, it'd be a little tighter, but hey, gotta take what we can get, right? Alright. Alright, let me get my stapler. Right here. Right here. Alright. Maybe I'll move you guys up a little bit so you can see, huh? Alright, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Alright, see if that's a little better. Oh, let me turn you around again. Sorry about that. It's tough. It's tough doing everything yourself here. I don't have a cameraman. Alright, here you go. Be a little easier for me to do it like that. Bring it right to the line there. Alright, now we'll go over this side here. Do the same thing. Don't staple your finger. Ow! Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alright. I think it's going to look good. Alright, I'm going to continue on. It shouldn't be too much trouble because it's got a nice radius. I like the other one, man. The other one was a pain in the balls. But this one shouldn't be too bad. So, let me staple it down and I'll turn you guys back on when I finish. Alright, here we got that done and we're happy with it. Got it all stapled in there and ready to go on. I got one perfect corner here. I mean, it's just the perfect radius. The other three are acceptable, but that's what you work for. That's why you work on this kind of garbage. And I'm proud of that corner. Alright, let's put on this little chrome frame and see what it looks like. We actually put the backrest on too. We just can't put the back cover of the backrest on. Alright. Alright, yeah, the tacks finally showed up from Amazon. It took them a while. It's 10 o'clock at night, but we're going to finish this. Here are the tacks. It's funny how they try to mislead you. In the ad, it says made on German machines. You know, and it makes you think, okay, maybe they're making them in Germany, who knows? But then on here it says this product was produced with fully automatic German machines in China. Oh, they always got a gimmick. All right, this here is plastic, and the holes are towards the end, towards the edge. So what I'm doing is I got a little itty bitty tiny drill here, and let me turn you around here so I can see you. Oh, hey. Alright, what I'm doing is I'm pre-drilling all these, and I'm going above. I marked them out, and I actually used the original thing here as a template, so I'm not going in the original holes. There you go. I'm not going in any original holes because these heads are about 2 or 3 times, probably 4 times as big as the original ones. There's an original one, and also the shaft on the old ones is about 2 or 3 times the size, thickness of this little one. I did fill in all the holes on the other piece of wood that we're going to be nailing into, just in case, you know, because if I would hit one of them holes, you know, I'd be poking this thing hole with Swiss cheese stuff. It would look like Swiss cheese when I was done. Alright, I think I got about all. I think I got 2 holes here, so let's put the chair up here and put some nails in it. Tacks, nails, tacks, upholstery tacks. Alright. Yeah, I'm almost sorry I didn't, instead of putting these tacks where they all were originally, that I didn't measure it out, but you know, that's where it is. Yeah, you see here the body putty, I filled in the holes that were there, so if we should hit one, it should go in there. Right. They say to put these in with a rubber mallet, but we're going to use a tack hammer. Alright, it's not marring it. Just leaving a tiny little mark, but what are you going to do, right? You believe I just hit my thumb? Alright, that one ain't going to grab. It's because that's where the metal cord is. Okay. I'm glad they held in by themselves there. I knew some were going to jump out. Interesting story with this chair. It was the wife's grandmother's, and she lived to 99 and a half. So the family went down after she passed on. The family went down to clean her house out, and they did. They cleaned all the house out and took all the good stuff. And somebody took his chair and put it out at the curb. And the old lady seen that, and she couldn't stand to see it get thrown in the garbage. So she went out and picked it up and brought it home. And here it is. It's going to last another 60, 70 years maybe. Alright, I'm going to finish beating these things in, and then we'll take a look at it and see what it looks like when it's done. Alright, there you go. We're happy with the way it turned out. I mean, it's not perfect, but you know, it is what it is. You know, it's a good-looking garage chair. Let's go around the back here and see what them chrome nails look like. Alright, you know, nobody could tell they're not evenly spaced as long as you don't sit and stare at it and count them. So we're happy with it. Alright, hopefully it'll last another 70 years, and then somebody else will reupholster it or something. Alright, appreciate you guys that stayed and watched this, because I know these upholstery videos don't have a big following, but if you stayed and watched the whole thing, I appreciate it. So what do you guys say? Enough of this? Alright, see you in the next one. Let me try and get us a good thumbnail here. Where do you want to put? You want to put the thing here. Maybe you want the old piece. Alright.